Hello students, I am Ravinder Yadav, your math expert at Dabad Academy. Today we will start the chapter Fundamental Operations. This chapter is very important for everyone whether you are preparing a competition exam or not. In Fundamental Operation, we cover addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four fundamental operations is the basic of every chapter. So this video is must watch and I recommend you to watch the video from starting to ending and to make notes. It is very necessary to understand the question where we apply addition, where we apply subtraction and where we apply other fundamental operations. So let's start our today session. Okay, here is the question number first. We have to add 7,42,386 in 4,25,167. So first we have to write this digit, that is 7,4,2,3,86 upon 4,2,5,1,6, and now we have to add. When we add 6 plus 7, that is 13, we have carry 1, 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, that is 15, 3 plus 1 and carry 1, that is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 7 plus 4 is 11. So the right answer is 11,67,553. In the same way, we have to add 24,356 in 564,289. So first we have to write 5,64,289 upon with 24,356. Now we have to add these two numbers. 9 plus 6 is 15. We have carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 5 14. We have carry 1. That is 6. 4 4 plus 8. 6 plus 2 8. That is 5. That is 5,88,645. Question number second. Subtract 51,947 from 69,859. So first we have to write 69,859. Then we have to subtract 51,947. When we subtract 7 from 9, we get to 5 में से 4 गया 1. It take carry 8. 1 that is 18. 18 में से 9 गया तो 9. Here is 8. 8 में से 1 गया तो 7. That is 6 में से 1 subtract करेंगे, that is 1. That is 17,912. In the same way, we have to subtract 67,142 from 78,531. So first we have to write 78,531, 67,142. तो 1 में से 2 subtract नहीं हो सकता, so it take carry, that is 11. 11 में से 2 गया, that is 9. Here is 2. It takes carry, that is 12. 12 में से 4 गया, that is 8. Here is 4. 4 में से 1 गया, that is 3. Then when we subtract 7 from 8, that is 1, and then again 1, that is 11,389. Question number 3. When we multiply 23 into 4, 23, then we have multiplied by, first we have multiplied 3 by 4, that is 3 4 ja 12. So we have to write 2 here and that 1 is as carry. 2 4 ja 8, 8 में 1 add करेंगे, that is 9. So in the same way, second question is 123 into 10. So first we have to multiply 0 by all 3 digits. So when we multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. Then 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. So the right answer is 0, 3, 2, 1. Or we can direct multiply. Whenever we multiply any number by 10 or 100, we simply put 0 behind it. So this is the right answer. Now we have to multiply 4,317 by 265. So first we have to write the digit, that is 4,317 into 265. 5 7 ja 35. Here is 3. 5 1 ja 5, 3 8, carry 1. 5 3 ja 15. 5 5 ja 20 or 1 carry 21. Here 7 ja 42, carry 4. 6 1 ja 6, 4 10. We have carry 1. 3 ja 18, carry 1 19, 6 4 ja 24 and carry 1 25. Now we have to 2 7 ja 14, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2, carry 1 is 3, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Now we have to add sum all these. So here is 5, 8 plus 2 10, 9 plus carry 1 10. We have carry 1 here, then 1 or 9 10, 13 or 1 carry 14. We have carry 1, 2 5 7, 7 plus 6 13, carry 1 14. We have carry 1, 1 plus 3 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 8 11. That is 11,44,005. Okay, now we have to divide 13,241 by 29. अगर आपको 29 की टेबल नहीं आती है तो पहले हम 29 की टेबल लिख देते हैं. That is 29 मतलब 29, 29 to 58, 87, 116, 145, 174, 203, 232, 261 and 209. 29, 13241. So first we have to divide this number कि 29 की हम 29 से डिवाइड करें तो नंबर 132 से कम आना चाहिए. So we have clearly see 116 is the number that is least than 132. So 29 4 ja 116. Now we have to subtract, take carry 2, here is 12, 12 में से 6 गया, that is 6, here is 2, 2 में से 1. Now we have to take 4 here. Now again we have to divide this number by 29 and we have find least number than 164, that is 150, sorry, that is 145. So we have multiplied by 5, 29 5 ja 145. Then 1 take k carry, that is 14, 14 में से 5 गया, that is 9, here is 5, 5 में से 4 गया, that is 9. Here is, now we have to find the number which is less than 191 in the table of 29. So we can clearly see that is that number is 174, that is 29 6 ja 174. Now we have to subtract it, that is 11, 11 में से 4 गया 7, here is 8, 8 में से 7 गया, that is 1. So the remainder is 7. Quotient is 456. This is your right answer. Note it down. Which of the following is equals to 16? हमें बताना है इन चारों ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो 16 के इक्वल है. First we have to solve this. That is 9. 11 में से 5 गया, that is 6. When we add 9 plus 6, that is 15. So first option is not correct. So when we subtract 13 minus 3, that is 10 plus 5. When we add, that is again 15. That is not equals to 16. So option 2 is incorrect. Then we have subtract 9 minus 5, that is 4. When we subtract 6 from 17, that is 11. That is equals to 16. So C is the correct answer. 7652 is added to x and that is equals to 6627 plus 3784. Then find the value of x. हमें x की value find out करनी है. तो first we have to write 7632 plus x, that is equals to 6627 plus 3784. Now we have to add first these two numbers, that is 7846627. When we add these two numbers, that is 7 plus 1, 7 plus 4 11, here is 1, then again 11, here is 13 plus 1 14, 1 10 1 9. That is equals to 7632 plus x equals to 10411. Now we have know the big plus formula. According to the big plus formula, if a number is added on the one side, when we take it on other side, it will be changed into subtraction. So 10411 minus 7630. So now we have to subtract it. When we have subtract this, we have the answer is 2779. Okay, here is the next question. If 5392 minus m equals to 4887 minus 3736, so find the value of m. We have to find the value of m. In the same way, we have to solve first. 5392 minus m equals to 4887 minus 3736. First we have to solve this part, that is equals to 4887 minus 3736. When we subtract 6 from 7, that is 1, 3 from 8, that is 5, 7 from 8, that is 1, 1. So here is 5392 minus m equals to 1151. Here is m on negative on one hand side. According to the big plus, when we take it on other side, it will be on plus, and this number is addition on one side. When we take it on other side, it will change into negative. That is 5392 minus 1151 equals to m. Now we have to subtract this, so we can subtract it. 95392 minus 1151. So here is 1424. So the right answer is 4241 equals to m. So in this type of question, first you have to subtract, first you have to solve one side, then you have to solve another side by big plus formula. Here is the next question. The sum of 97,459, 67,412 and 98,741. We have to sum it. So first we have to write all these digits, 97459, then 67412, then 98741. You have to verify all these digits. Okay, that is 9 plus 2 11 or 1 carry 2, that we have 1, 5 have 10, then 1 11, we have carry 1, 4 4 8 15, we have plus 1 16, we have carry 1, 8 8 16, 16 में 7 23, we have to carry 2, 9 9 18, 2 20 and then plus adds 26. That is equals to 2,63,612. So this is your addition of all these numbers. The difference between 63,452 and 60,126. Now we have to write 62126 minus 63452. So we have to subtract this number, that is 63452 60126. So we have to take carry 1, that is 12. 12 में से 6 subtract किया, that is 6, that is here 4. 4 में से 2 गया, that is 2. Here is 3. Here is 3. So the right answer is 3326. A number that must be subtracted from this to make it equal to the sum of these two numbers. So let's suppose that number is x. We have to subtract x from 5,74,396 minus x, that is equals to 2,48,639 plus 4,36,715. So first we have to solve right hand side, that is 2, 4, 8, 6, 3, 9 and again 4, 3, 6, 7, 1, 5. We have to add these. 14 we have to carry 1, that is 5. 6 or 7, 13 we have carry 1. 9, 6, 15 we have to carry 1, that is 8 and that is 6. So here is 5, 7, 4, 3, 9, 6 minus x equals to 6, 8, 5, 3, 5, 4. Now we have to subtract minus x equals to, when we take this number on the other hand side, according to the big plus formula, the sign will change and we will subtract it from this number, minus 5, 7, 4, 3, 9, 6. Now we have to subtract, that is 14. 14 में से 6 गया, that is 18. Here is again 4, that is 14. 14 में से 9 गया, that is 5. Here is 2, we have to take carry here. 12 में से 3 गया, that is 9. 4 में से 4 गया 0. Here is 0. Here is 1 and 1. So the value of x is equals to minus 110958. This is the correct answer. In number, when added to the sum of these two number makes this number. The number is, let's suppose the number is bx. So when we add 2, 6, 4, 5, 7 plus 3, 0, 1, 9, 8 plus x, that will equals to 36,098. So first we have to add these two number, that is equals to 2, 6, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, 1, 9, 8. Now we have to add, that is equals to 15. We have carry 1, that is again 15. 4 plus 1, 6, 6 and 5. That is equals to 5, 6, 6, 5, 5 plus x equals to 4, 6, 0, 9, 8. Now according to the big plus formula, this number is positive on one hand side. When we take it on other hand side, it will change into negative. So now we have to subtract this number from this number. So that is equals to 5, 6, 6, 5, 5 minus 4, 6, 0, 9, 8. That is 15. 15 में से 8 गया, that is 7. Here is 14. 14 में से 9 गया, that is 5. Here is 5. Here is 0. Here is 1. So x equals to minus 10557. Here is negative sign because the negative number is bigger. Now we have to find the product. The product of 3,02,010 and 46. So we have to multiply it. That is 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0 into 46. When we multiply 6 by 0, that is 0, 6 1 is 6, then again 0, 6 2 is 12 and 6 3 is 18. Now we have the same way, we have to multiply each number by 4, that is 4 0 0, 4 1 is 4, 0, 4 2 is 8, then again 0, 4 3 is 12. Now we have to add these numbers, that is 0, 6, 4, 2, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8, 2 plus 1 3, that is 1. So the product of 3,02,010 and 46 is 1,38,92,460. Here is the question number 10. The product of two number is 2,334. If one number is 8 times the other, then the greater number is. Let's suppose the smaller number is bx and the greater number will be 8 times of the x. It means we have to multiply smaller number by 8. So the larger number is 8 into x, and the product of these two number, it means we have to multiply these two number, x into 8x equals to 2334. X into x is 8x square equals to 2334. Here is x square equals to, if any number is multiply on left hand side, when we take it on right hand side, it will be on divide. So now we have to cut it. Both number is divisible by 2, that is 4. We have to cut is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 40. So the value of x square equals to 1167 by 4. So the value of x equals to under root 1167 by 4. So the larger number is 8 into under root 1167 by 2, और 2 से कट करेंगे 2 4 जा 8, that is equals to 4 under root 1167. This is the right answer. स्क्वायर रूट जो है हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में कवर करेंगे. here is the next question, what is 286 times of 126 कि 126 का 286 टाइम क्या होगा. So we have to multiply it. 286 multiply 126. So first we have to multiply 6 by each digit. 6 into 6, that is 36. We have carry 3. 6 8 ja 48. We have carry 3, that is 51. So now we have carry 5. 6 2 ja 12 plus 5, that is 17. Then we have put a cross here. Then 2 6 ja 12. We have carry 1. 2 8 ja 16 plus 1 17. We have carry 1. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. हमने दो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. वी हैव पुट 2 क्रॉस हेयर. हेयर इज 6. 1 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 एंड 2 1 जा 2. सो हेयर इज 6 3 7 plus 7 14 plus 6 20. हेयर इज कैरी 2. 1 plus 5 6. 6 में 8 ऐड करेंगे 14. 2 carry 16. We have carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. That is 36,036. Question number 12 is if 11,012 is divided by 11. अगर हम इस नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे 11 से, so we have to write it here 11. That is here. That is dividend and that is divisor. Then the sum of quotient and the remainder is. So we have to find the sum of quotient and remainder. तो पहले हमें quotient पता होना चाहिए. So 11 1 जा 11. Subtract करेंगे 0. We have to take here 0. That is not divisible. So here is 0. Then again we have to put 1 here. That was also again not divisible. We have to put 0 here. Then is here 2. Then 11 1 ja 11. So that is 1 here. That is the remainder. And that is the quotient. Now we have to find the sum of these two numbers. Now we can easily sum of 1001 plus 1, that is equals to 1002. So the right answer is 1002. On dividing 5784 by a certain number, the quotient is 172 and the remainder is 129. The divisor is. So we have already discussed the formula. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the dividend here is 5784 and we don't have divisor, let's suppose be x, and the quotient is 172 plus remainder. So first we have to subtract the remainder from the dividend, that is minus 129 equals to 172 into x. So when we subtract this number, that is equals to 5784 minus 129, that is 5. 7 में से 2 गया, that is 5. Here is 6, here is 5. That is equals to 5655 equals to 172 into x. Now we have to divide it by 170. So the divisor is 32.877. Here is the next question. If a number is as much as greater than 31 as it is less than 75, कि कोई नंबर है वो 31 से उतना ही बड़ा है जितना कि वो 75 से छोटा है. It means the difference of this and this is equal. So when we subtract x minus 31, that will be equals to 75 minus x. This number is negative on one hand side, second hand side करेंगे it will be changed into positive, that is x plus x. In the same way when 31 will goes on other hand side, that will convert into positive, that is 2x equals to 106. Then x equals to 106. According to big plus formula, 2 is multiply on one hand side, when we take it on other hand side it will be on divide. Then 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 50. So that number is 53. So the correct answer is 53. तो 53 वो नंबर है जो 31 से उतना ही बड़ा है जितना कि वो 75 से क्या है, छोटा है. Which of the following 2 digit number when added to 27 get reverse? इनमें से कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम 27 में ऐड करें तो वो नंबर रिवर्स हो जाएगा. So let 32 में अगर हम 27 ऐड करते हैं that will be 59. That is not the reverse of 32. So first answer is wrong. तो second option is 24 में अगर हम 27 ऐड करते हैं that is 51. That was not the reverse of 24. So this option is also wrong. Now we have option number C, that is 42. When we add 27 in option number 2, third, that is 9, 16. 69. That was not the reverse of 42. Now we have option number D, that is 36 में हम 27 ऐड करेंगे, that is 63. So that is the reverse of 36. So D is the right answer. 2 number is 110098. If one of them is 89,799, then the other number is, let the other number be x, let the other number be x, and the first number is, that was already given in the question, that is 89,799, and sum of these two number is 1,10,098, that is x plus 89799 equals to 110098. This number was plus with x. On other hand side, according to the big plus formula, it will be on minus, that is 89799. Now we have to subtract it here. 110098, that is 89799. Now we have to subtract it, so we take carry, that is 18, 18 subtract 9, that is 9, again hit 18, 18 subtract 9, that is 9, here is 9, 9 में से 7 गया, that is 2, here is 9, 9 में से 9 गया 0, here is 10, 10 में से 2 गया 8 गया 2. तो the answer is 20,299. This is the value of 784 marbles are to be distributed among 14 boys. What is the share of each boys? Whenever we distribute something, it will start getting less. जैसे कि अगर पहले हमारे पास 10 चॉकलेट थी, फिर हमने 2 किसी को दी, हमारे पास 8 बची, फिर हमने 2 किसी और बच्चे को दी, हमारे पास 6 बची. तो जब भी हम रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? We do repeated subtraction. तो उसकी जगह हम डायरेक्ट क्या कर लेते हैं? डिवीजन कर लेते. तो हमारा जो रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन है वही क्या है? हमारा डिवीजन है. तो हमारा जो ईच बॉय का जो शेयर होगा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल मार्बल्स डिवाइड बाय टोटल बॉयज, that is equals to 784 divided by 14. Both number is divisible by 14, that is equals to 14 1 14, 14 5 17, 14 6 84, that is equals to 56 marbles. So the share of each boy is 56 marbles. The annual income of Ravi is 48,12,000. What is his monthly income if he earns equal amount every month? तो हमारे पास है उसकी टोटल इनकम ऑफ 1 ईयर, टोटल इनकम दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 48,12,000 और ये है पर ईयर की. इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड द सैलरी ऑफ 1 मंथ, तो एक ईयर 1 ईयर में होता है 12 मंथ, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू वी हैव टू डू डिवाइड हेयर, देन 12 1 12, 12 4 48, 12 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा तो हेयर इज 0, 12 1 12 0 0, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 4,01,000. तो सैलरी ऑफ रवि इज पर मंथ क्या है? 12. सैलरी ऑफ रवि पर मंथ इज 4,01,000. If 5,980 kg of wheat is packed in 46 bags, then how much wheat will each bag contain? अगर हम 46 बैग में से एक कम करते हैं, then we have 45, then again we have एक कम करते हैं, then we have 44 bags. तो अगर इस तरीके से हम बार बार कम करते रहेंगे, यानी it means we do repeated subtraction. और repeated subtraction की जगह हम डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं डिवीजन. So we have to divide here. That is each bag contains equals to total weight divided by total bag, that is equals to 5980 divided by 46. When we divide this number, that is equals to 130 kg. So जो 1 bag का weight है, that is equals to 130 kg. The product of two number is 2,925. If one of them is 195, find the other number. Let the number be x and the first number is 195. According to question, the product of these two number is x into 195 equals to 2,925. Here this number is multiply on one hand side. When we take it on other hand side, it will be on divide according to the big plus formula. When we cut these two numbers, that is equals to 15. So the right answer is 15. This is the question from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2017. One number is exceeded by the other number is 36. If the sum of both number is 48, find the numbers. हमें वो दोनों numbers find करने हैं. So इसमें है, let's suppose first number be x, so the second number will be equals to x plus 36, because this number is exceeded the other number by 36, and according to the question, the sum of these two number is equals to 36. So we have to sum these two number, that is equals to 48. The sum of these two number is equals to 48. So we have to add these two number and put equals to 48. Then x plus x is 2x plus 36 equals to 48. Now we have 2x here. 36 is add on left hand side. When we take it on right hand side, it will be on minus. Then 2x equals to 12. Now we have to find the value of x, that is equals to 12 by 2. When we cut these two number, then the value of x is 6. It means the first number is x and the second number is x plus 36. So we have to put the value of x, that is 6 plus 36 equals to 42. The number should 4318 be divided by which number? So the quotient is 47. हमें बताना है कि जो 4318 है उसको हम किससे डिवाइड करें कि जो quotient है वो 17 आए. So we already know the formula of dividend, that is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this case we take remainder as 0. So dividend is 4318, divisor is, let's suppose be x, and the quotient is 17 and the remainder is 0. 17 right hand side multiply में, when we take it on left hand side it will be on divide. Now both number is divisible by 17. When we divide this number by 17, that is equals to 234. So the answer is 234. It means अगर हम 4318 को 234 से divide करेंगे, then our quotient will be 17. A number is divided into two parts such that their sum is 246 and one part is twice the other. कि जो एक part है वो twice है other का, and we have to find the smaller part. So let the first part be x, second part will be equals to, that is twice, that means 2x. Then according to the question we have to sum of these two number, that is equals to 246. Then x plus 2x is 3x, that is equals to 246, and the value of x equals to, here 3 is multiply on left hand side, when we take it on right hand it will be on divide. When we cut these two number, then x equals to 3 8 is 24, 3 2 is 6. So the smaller number is 82. How much is subtracted from 24,019? Here is question number 24. How much is subtracted from 21,049 so that it will remain 9,263? हमें subtract करना है कोई number 21,049 में से, ताकि हमारा जो आंसर है वो बचे 9,263. So we let the number be x. So हम subtract करेंगे 21,049 में से x को. So the answer will be 9263. Here x is negative. When we take it on other hand side, it will be on positive. This number is positive. When we take it on other hand side, it will be on negative. That is equals to 21049 minus 9263. That is equals to x. Now we have to subtract it. That is 21,049 minus 9263. 9 में से 3 जाता है, that is 6. That is 8. We have to take carry 14. Here is 9 में से 2 गया, that is 7. Here is 0, it take carry 10, 1, that is 1. That is equals to 11,786. That is equals to x. So we have to subtract 11,786 from the 21,049. So our answer will be 9,263. So the next question is, Ram, Rahul and Rohit share a bag of marbles. The bag contains 272 marbles. How much marbles were left over after the friends share them equally? This question is from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2020. कि 3 दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने 272 को equally distribute किया. Then they left some marbles. तो हमें बताने की कितने marbles बचेंगे. So we have to divide the total marble by 3 and 3 9 are 27. When we subtract it will be on 0. When we take 2, so how many marbles are left? 2 marbles are left, and तीनों को जो शेयर होगा that is 90 90 90. तो तीनों फ्रेंड को 90 90 मिलेगा. Then 2 marbles are left. So the answer is 2. I hope this lecture is very informative for you and it will help you to build your basics. If you think this video is very valuable to you, please like, share our video and subscribe our channel Dabad Academy. Thank you everyone.